over a month ago, I posted a video series on YouTube, why do the Mercedes E550 eat front brakes? And I went through a bunch of scenarios. I talked about a bunch of possible problems. You saw the brake rotor actually had brake pad material on it. It got so hot. So I changed everything on this car. All new rotors, all new brake pads. I put high performance brake pads in the front that are supposed to be good for heat dissipation. I've driven the car for about 500 miles. I decided let's get it up on the lift and let's see what's going on with the brakes, because I happened to notice that I was getting a lot of brake dust on the front wheel. I think you'll be surprised at what I found. I'm going to start by showing you the rear brake. Take a look at the surface of this disc. Now this does not look any different from when I put it on. These are machine marks here, and there's virtually no scratches, no evidence of any kind of braking going on in the rear. You remember in the earlier video series I talked about this problem with disproportional braking between the front and the rear. And I'm thinking we might have a real problem here with this, so let me show you the front. Now look at the difference in this front rotor. You can see the scratches, and you can also see it starting to get a little bit of a blue cast to it, like this disc has been getting really hot. So we have excessive braking going on in the front. We have virtually no braking going on in the rear. And I thought I would post this video. I'm going to put the question out here. Have any of you experienced the same issue, and what has the solution been? Because I think I have a problem with the whole braking system in this car.